Hey guys, welcome back. We got something really exciting today. We're forming that forced arch on the Selmer guitar. So we're going to be gluing that top into the braces. So let's get started. Okay, so hey guys, good news. Just for everyone watching, if you wanted those Guarneri violin plans, they are on the Fusion 360 files, are up on Patreon now. You become a Patreon member, $1 a month. You get access to all my files here that I'm working on. So check that one out. If you like it, yeah, let me know what you think about it. Let me know where I can improve. I've already got some suggestions, so we'll be doing another violin here coming up soon, and that's going to be really exciting. But yeah, Patreon, subscribe, like, all that. Thanks, everyone. So yeah, now into how we're doing this today, right? So I thought about it back and forth a lot to try to figure out what would be the best way to get these braces glued into this top, and I figured the best thing to do would be to create a negative shape of those braces that we already cut, and cut those into a kind of a radius dish type of jig, and then we can use the Go Bar deck to press them all in. Okay, this is just my simulation here in Fusion 360, just showing that I've got a contour pass here, then I'm using a 3D adaptive pocket to cut out the bulk of the material, and then we're going to do a 3D scallop with a 1/10 of an inch step over. So then I'm going to post-process this out, and one of the tricks that I like to use is I like to put the dimensions of my setup into the top of my G-code. So when I'm out at the machine, I don't have to go looking for it. I know what those dimensions are. So we're going to dump these out to the thumb drive here, bring them out to the machine. So now I'm just going to measure out a piece of 1/2 inch MDF, and we're going to set up that stock for this part. Okay, we're going to bring that over to the CNC machine and start setting up the setup on this one. It's my same super glue and masking tape trick that I do for everything. I just put a couple pieces of tape on the part, burnish those in, flip it over, and then I mark those out on the spoil board. Then I move the part out of the way, put those 2 pieces of tape in the corresponding spots, then I burnish those in, apply activator to one side and super glue to the other, and press that right in. So we're cutting this contour, and then we're going to go into that pocket operation and remove that bulk material. Just follow it up with a 3D scallop. So now we've got our jig. We just bring that over to the Go Bar deck, and we start gluing in these braces. The braces are in 2 parts, so I'm going to glue in the top part first. I've got them marked off on the top where they go, so I'm just going to apply the glue and then set them up in the right location and clamp them in. Let's get those clamped in. I'm just going to clean up the glue squeeze out and let these dry up. That half is dried up, we can take these clamps out, turn it around, and glue up the other half. Now those are dried up, and we're just going to pull the clamps off, and we're done. And that's all there is for it. We got it here. So this thing is nice and rigid. It's nice and strong. It's got some really good tap tone here. So I've got the microphone set up so we can set this up. It's a little bit of ambient noise here, but I think it's going to be really good. So check this thing out. Yeah, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I think it sounds pretty good. I think it's it's got that really that tonality that you're going to get out of a Selmer guitar with that ladder brace and that pressed top in there. I am going to be tuning this up. This is just a starting point, but we are going to be tuning those braces and seeing what we can get out of this. But that's for next time. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.